Hey, everybody, it's Adam with Shaffer Distributing. I've got my good friend Jessica with us. Jessica, please introduce yourself.
I'm Jessica Doty with Andy B's Entertainment, President of Operations for the company.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you doing this today. The first question I've got for you is tell us about Andy B's. Like, what is it? Like, so people don't know about it. Tell us all about it.
So Andy B's is a family entertainment center. We offer upscale food, upscale craft cocktails, and fun for all ages, including arcade, laser tag, go-karts in some locations, duck pen bowling, spark bowling, and a variety of other activities.
Awesome. So you guys just recently opened up a new facility. Where is that located at?
We did. So we remodeled an old BRC center in Oklahoma City, and it is now Andy B's, and it has 22 lanes of traditional bowling and 4 lanes of duck pen bowling.
Gotcha. So how many Andy B's are out there, and where are they throughout the country?
So we currently have an Andy B's in Denton, Texas, Branson, Missouri, Springfield, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Oklahoma City.
Wow,
so we have 5 total.
So where was the first one that was started, and then how did Andy B's become? Well, where did Andy B's name come from?
So Andy B actually came from himself.
Okay.
Andy Bartholomew. Our first location was in Tulsa, Oklahoma. That was our first attempt at a conversion of an old 80-lane bowling center. And then from there, we've slowly converted a couple other bowling centers and built one from the ground up.
Gotcha. Now, did I hear you right? You said 80 lanes of bowling in the first one?
It was initially an 80-lane traditional bowling center, correct.
I could not even fathom 80 lanes at one time. That has got to be so loud. So with the 80 lanes, did you take some out to build the FEC, or is it still an 80-lane center?
We did. So initially, when we bought the location, we shut down 40 lanes completely and just ran it as a 40-lane traditional.
Okay.
And then we met with some other operators, some other people in the industry, and decided to do an attempt of an FEC. Okay. And we pulled out lanes. We added go-karts. We added laser tag. We added an arcade. And then since then, we've also added escape rooms.
Wow. And which location is that?
This is in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, Jessica, if people want more information, where can we direct them to your website to go? What does that look like if they're in the market to be able to stop by and say hello to y'all?
So our website is www.bowlandyb's.com. And from there, it'll give you a selection of all of our locations and also contact to get a hold of myself and our corporate office for any questions they may have.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate your time today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.